Now been more than a week since those hurricane force winds ripped through western New York. Today, the cleanup still continues for some of the damage that storm left behind. We talked with National Grid crews out in Amherst this afternoon. They are working proactively to prevent future damage and outages.
These are repairs that we've decided to make to just bolster them, to make them stronger or harden them for the next weather event. So they were damaged, but electricity was still able to be delivered to the houses. So by us going out there, it just strengthens them and makes everything, puts them in a better spot in advance of the next weather event.
And National Grid says 77,000 of their customers were impacted by last week's storm.